BIM 360 Design provides a number of tools to enable design teams to collaborate faster and more efficiently on projects by reducing manual design and information management processes. Enabling a BIM 360 environment allows Revit teams to host a central model in the cloud that can be accessed and worked on by multiple users at the same time in a controlled, work-shared environment that we are all used to. Non-Revit users can then review the model instantly via a web browser or mobile device, meaning less time is spent managing feedback and preparing models to be reviewed outside of Revit. Because we are working in the cloud, we can extend access to external parties very easily with strict security measures and approval processes in place, along with the ability to quickly analyse change, meaning the wider team can truly collaborate in a federated model environment. This also means that from an IT perspective, there is no need to give external parties access to your network, and Revit projects will not impact performance and storage of your servers, which means a reduction in hardware and maintenance costs.